Hi friends, this video shows how to connect this portable SanDisk SSD storage to Google TV Streamer 4K and transfer files. Here I will be using this multi-port USB hub. This hub I have connected to this Google TV Streamer using this USB Type-C cable, and here you can see one white cable. This is a power cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. Here you can see one black cable, and that is connected to the SanDisk SSD storage. This is the setup. Let me go to TV, go to all settings, go to system, go to storage. First I am going to check whether this SSD storage has been mounted properly or not. Here under the storage you can see removable storage section. Under that you can see disk 1 TB, that is this SanDisk SSD. That means this SSD has been mounted properly. After that, go to home screen, select apps. Under apps, let me open this file manager app. You can install this file manager app from App Store. Let me open this Explore file manager app. Here on the left side you can see internal shared storage, that is a internal storage of this Google TV streamer. Below that you can see disk 1 TB, that is this SanDisk SSD storage. Let me open that. Now you are seeing files inside that SanDisk SSD storage. So let me go down, and below that you can see some images and video files. Next I am going to transfer one file from this SSD storage to internal storage of Google TV streamer. So let me select one image. I am going to select this first image. Go to right side. On the right side we need to set the destination where we need to paste that image. Let me paste that image here in this internal shared storage. Select it. Then let me select one location. Let me select this pictures folder. Okay, then go to left side, select that image that we need to transfer, press and hold OK button on the remote, mark it. Then here you can see copy, select copy. Now here you can see the file name, then the destination pictures folder, select OK. Done. Here on the right side you can see that copied image. So let me open this image. See. Okay, so this way we can transfer file from SSD storage to internal storage of Google TV streamer. Next I am going to show you how we can transfer one file from internal storage of Google TV streamer to this SanDisk SSD storage. Let me go to the left side, then select internal shared storage, then select one image. So let me select this image under this documents folder. Then go to the right side. Here we need to set the destination. Destination is this 1 TB disk. Then set the location. So I am going to paste that image. I am going to paste this image in this pictures folder. Then go to the left side. Then select that image that we need to transfer. Press and hold OK button on the remote, mark it. Then select copy. Process is same. Select copy. Now here you can see the name of the image and the destination. Destination is pictures folder of the SanDisk SSD. Select OK. So now it's copying, done. Now on the right side you can see that image. Let me open. See. So this way we can transfer files. So you can try this. Next I will show you how we can safely remove this SSD storage. Go to all settings, go to system, go to storage, select SanDisk SSD storage. Here you can see eject. Select eject. Now it's ejecting. Please wait. Done. Now we can safely remove this SSD storage from this Google TV streamer 4K device. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.